Thank you. I will wait here.
That's just an understatement. I'm early to the party, but my Rari is the latest. Somehow it seems girls in their late teens. Your favorite
Points. I need 3,000 thing to buy the thing.
You can do it if you're dead.
Yeah. Okay. Give me.
Don't click it.
Anyone?
Give me $500 and I'll heal you.
Hey, yo, my dude. My dude.
Stand just.
Waffle.
Yeah, they're yellow.
Yeah.
My dude.
Thank you.
He killed me!
Free, Dottie. Dottie, stop killing it for free.
Money, Terry. $100.
Hey Terry, you want some help?
Yeah!
I robbed you.
Ain't my intention. Let's play the system of touch. Double persuasion. Doesn't admiration.
Whoa, holy shit.
Hey.
Happens that I'm head over heels. Don't break my heart, don't break my heart, don't throw it away.
I started killing me!
Throw it away.
Hey, you wanted by the police,
Oh
dude.
shit, he's fucking dead.
Am I?
Our son.
Hey, you want some help, DJ?
No one's listening to me. The longest I have. I can say anything right now.
Hey, Larissa.
Yo, you guys sell it?
Larassi Elsa, you want some
I need ammo.
I need pistol ammo, bro.
Ammo. I need ammo. Come on.
Oh shit, there's been a murder!
I'm killing these high notes.
Come on, Bacon.
Go leave the building, fuck.
Oh my god!
Follow
Hey,
me.
what type, man?
What
Yo,
time?
he's right there, he's right there, he's right there! Bitch,
I know you're an
cop.
undercover
Come
cop,
away,
bro.
bitch.
I know you're an undercover cop.
Hi there, exemption.
Get the fuck away if you heard
Yo,
fucking
hybrid, when
die.
you're done,
I
I need
want an exemption, man.
Alright, that will be 15,000.
Okay, let me close the door. 15,000. Let me close the door. If someone tries to get in, I will kill him with my.
Good job. You killed the right doctor.
He's right there, he's right there.
Just try to get in.
Get the fuck away from us. You better not play that shit on us.
I'll kill him with my neck.
I'm selling health. I'm selling health to anyone that needs it.
$15,000. Yeah. What the heck? Dude, some guy just shot me.
Let me do this.
Whoa, whoa, hey,
Same.
relax. What happened? What happened? What happened?
They tried to shoot me. I do not have.
Anyone
Yeah, bring it on. Wind check, antenna check, nectar pack check,
What's happening?
Oh. Okay, ladies, let's move it out. Pound those petunias, you strike steady suckers. Pound those petunias, you strike steady suckers. All of you, drain those flowers. Wow, a mouth! I can't believe a mouth! So blue! I feel so fast and free! Fox type! Wow! Flowers! This is Blue Leader. We have roses. We need around 30 degrees to hold. Roses, 30 degrees. Roger. Bringing it around. Stand to the side, kid. It's got a bit of a kick. That is one nectar collector. Ever seen?
Right, please spawn. When I spawn into the action guy.
One over here, maybe a dash over there. A pinch on that one. See that? It's a little bit of magic. That's amazing. Why do we do that? That's pollen power. More pollen, more flowers, more nectar, more honey for us. Oh!
I just only love my game. Rich nigga shit, bro, Nick can't comprehend. That is Cartier. You understand that? 2016 Dream Team, matching Beamer boys. Let's get it on up. We all in, we all family. This shit fire. Hey, I fuck with that. .com. You don't fuck with that.
Fousey. Fousey.
Walk up to the
Fousey,
machine
come
and
here.
proceed. Who say come at?
Fousey,
You?
take your AK. Fousey.
Okay.
Fousey, take your fucking
I'm
AK.
listening, I'm listening.
Watch your-
Can you fucking listen? Thanks, thank you. I'll pay you.
What the fuck was that? Bacon, what the fuck? Why did you just arrest him?
Talk about illegal firearms.